Good morning, good morning. It is November 23rd. Temperature outside is supposed to get to +3°C, which is 38 Fahrenheit. I've been on the bus for a while already, and in most of the windows, I put this foil back insulation. Reason being that when it gets nice and cold outside, the cold air will go through the window, hit the insulation, and bounce right back outside. In theory, anyway, that's what's supposed to happen with foil back insulation. I haven't gotten to these windows just yet because of, well, disaster. But today on the bus, I built the cabinet for above the fridge, where the fridge is supposed to go. So I'll try assembling that here. Plus, I also cut up all the pieces of lumber that I'm going to use for doors for the upper cabinets. Hopefully I can get those up today. We'll see. So I'll get you up on the tripod over there, and I'll try to assemble this thing without losing my temper too much. It's going to be fun. So let's get going. And that's that done. That would look nice on the inside instead. Anyway. There we go, back out a little bit. Hopefully not too much damage happened out here when I was trying to screw it together. Still looks pretty good. So now I'm just going to clean this up a little bit, because they're going to attempt putting in some doors. So hang tight and I'll be right back. I'm pretty certain I'm ready to get going here. Here's a few things we need. this drill. I can't even see what I'm pointing at. We need this drill. No. We need this template with its very own drill bit. Oh, you're kidding me. It doesn't fit in that. So I guess I don't need this drill after all. I'll just be swapping out on this drill all the time. I have these hinges, and I'm hoping they work. My doors, I made 1/8 of an inch smaller than the actual cabinet. So when I go to use this template, this goes up here like so. I make the marks where I have to. I'm going to use this piece of lumber as a gauge. I'll put it beside, but I'll shift it over just a little bit. Because, like I said, this is 1/8 smaller. Did I just go the right way? I'll have to think about how I'm doing that. Just make sure I get it in the right direction. So, yeah. We'll get going on this. I'll get you on the tripod, and I'll pause you for a bit so I can figure out exactly how this works, since this is not the exact same width as that, so I can't put it in the exact same spot. So be right back. Alright, so I have this figured out now. So, what do I have to do here? On the door, mark A and B. On the wall, mark C. Which one's C? I guess I could have done both of them at the same time. Well, I looked around, I couldn't find any piano hinge. So I just figured, let's try putting them up the proper way. I have enough hinges for that. What could possibly go wrong? So I already drilled everything out, just so I can get this done. See what it looks like. I guess for the big one back there, this one here, I'll have a little door here, a panel, and another little door. This one I just cut right in half down the middle. How's that full close? Seriously, how is that a full close? I'll fiddle with the settings and get the doors in the proper spot, but that's not looking that bad actually. I'm kind of surprised. So, let me cut this door in half, this door into threes, drill all the holes, then we'll continue on. So I'll be back shortly. Alright, let's get this underway. So I have all the holes drilled. I have my stuff ready to go except for the screws. Let's get these doors hung. Hung? Hanged. Hung. Something like that. So that's all the doors in place. Give me about half an hour or so and I'll make all the adjustments so they all match up, close properly. Then I'll show you what it looks like. See you shortly. So the doors are mostly in place and they all look pretty good. Just a few things I couldn't fix. Do we have you all the way back? Yeah, we do. So this spacing, I can't get any better. It's kind of wide up here, then it tapers down to over here. I didn't know what else to do with this middle piece. I didn't want it too big of a door. What I really liked is that I made it the same length as this upper cupboard over here. So the door opens up and it goes flush. Now a little bit, really close anyway. But this one, for some strange reason, whoa, it doesn't want to close properly. Slight overlap, so I'm probably just gonna have to take my sander with some really coarse sandpaper on it and grind it down. Then I'll put the fridge in place. Oh, I should have done that beforehand. Oh no, I don't want to. I have to move the thermostat. I'm gonna put that over here. So that's pretty much it for today. Until next time, have a good one.